For me, designing is more than just looks. It's about how it feels. Hi, I'm Manish Malhotra, designer, stylist, and entrepreneur. As a designer, you have to make sure that you create the perfect design when working on a project. And my current focus was to redesign and rework the outdoors of my home. That's when I came across VOX Interiors and decided to install it on my terrace. The VOX range of fronto slat panels are an excellent option for creating a unique visual statement code for your home. The beautiful amalgamation of aesthetics, design, color, and seamless finish gives you just the look you desire. And that's exactly why I've used them in my house. They're lightweight, durable, waterproof, and so versatile. They can be used vertically as well as horizontally. Remember, you only notice a facade and ceiling when it elevates the look of the space. In the case of these panels, it grabs your attention the moment you walk in. You too can make sure that even your facade and ceiling is amongst the most elegant ones. Make sure you check the entire collection of fronto slat panels by VOX.